Hello, and welcome to this tutorial for downloading and launching the flameTracker application. To get started, I can go to github.com and type flameTracker in the search box and look for the combustion tools/flameTracker repository. When I open the flameTracker page, I have access to the code folders, and if I scroll down, I can see the README file, which contains some high-level information about the program. If your operating system is Windows, you can skip this code installation and directly download the executable file, which is available from this right panel showing the latest release. The flameTracker requires Python 3, and if you don't have it installed, you can download it directly from the Python website. And the second website over here has very nice guides for the installation on different operating systems. The Python packages required for the flameTracker are the ones listed here with the links to their websites. They can be easily installed with the package installer for Python, which is also called pip. And with this method, you can simply copy the command line from the website and paste it into the terminal to install the package. Keep in mind that if you have a Mac or Linux, you might have to type pip3 instead of pip to make sure that the packages are installed in the Python 3 version instead of the default Python 2. I already have installed these packages, otherwise you will see the installation starting. Once we have all the packages required, we can go ahead and download the code. After unzipping the folder, I can access to it from the terminal by typing the path to follow. And at this point, I can type Python 3 flametracker.py and the graphical user interface will appear. Now you're ready to use the flameTracker, and in the next videos we will see how to use the different functionalities. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact me at flameTrackerContact@gmail.com.